Hey guys, welcome to TSA, the Sunday analysis for the 19th of January 2020. This is the forecast for price movements in the upcoming days this week. We'll start off with gold. Gold is doing what we've predicted last week. The forecast for the next few days is still to the upside. This candle here, it marks the turn to the upside for me. Okay, and once price has turned, usually it will remain in that direction for some time. As simple as that. Okay. Um, this is a bullish candle. This one as well. This is slightly bearish, but it has a long wick. So the bulls managed to push prices higher. And last day of the week, Friday was a bullish candle as well. So our forecast is still to the upside for gold. Dollar franc made what looked like a turn. We're basically on weekly support. This looks like a strong turn to the upside. The next few days I'm expecting price to move higher to test this level here. Okay, simple as that. A breakout was attempted here to the downside. It did not last for very long. Okay, Thursday and Friday, very bullish days. So the upcoming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on, I'm seeing a continuation to the upside for the dollar franc. Euro dollar is back on our trend line. Okay, depending on how you draw a trend line, it could be a break or still a bounce. But this makes more sense. This tells me that it's broken, okay? Especially with the dollar franc so clearly telling me that it's going to the upside. I'm expecting a further move to the downside for the EU. Okay, where is the next level going to be? It's around here. Bearish on the EU simply because it broke our trend line. Okay, look out for structure though. This is still making higher lows. It's still a range play for the dollar CAD. So if it goes up here, it'd be a nice area to sell for me. Okay, that's what we do at ranges. We sell high and buy at the lows until eventually it will choose a side to break out of. Okay, dollar yen is slowing down a little bit. It's respecting this supply level. Let's see on the lower time frames. It failed to break out. Past the highs here. Okay, this is considered to be not a breakout, a fake out instead. Okay, this would be the range it's about to form. Yeah, this would be the bottom. It's a wait and see for the dollar yen. If it breaks to the downside, then it's about to make its first ever retracement from this strong move to the upside, right? It hasn't retraced even one bit yet. So we may see some down movement for a lower dip for a pullback of this move. Okay, but overall bias is still to the upside for the dollar yen. Kiwi also similar to the EU, it broke out of this trend line on the H4. It looks like it's on its way to test the more major trend line on the daily. For the next few days, I'm expecting a test of this trend line, therefore bias to the downside. Similar on the AU, but we're still on that trend line. It's yet to be broken, but if you were to draw your line like this, this is the next low is about to test. After that's this one, and then we may see a touch and a test of this trend line. Okay, I'm expecting in the next few days for price to retest this trend line, therefore bias to the downside. GU did as expected. This was left last week on the TSA. On Friday, however, the CPI news, I believe, was really bad. Bad numbers for the pound. This was a news generated move. But looking at the other pairs, we may also see a break of this trend line. Okay, on the pound, if it were to break this trend line, the next level would be this low here to test. Because this is how I draw my support. We're still on this trend line, so the break's not confirmed, but just because on the EU, on the AU, and the NU, and the dollar franc, it's just telling me that the dollar will gain strength. That makes me also bearish on the pound dollar. Okay, the other pairs are kind of telling me that and giving me that same clue that the USD will gain strength in the next few days. Okay, we may see it's too early to tell what pattern it formed, but the next level to test is this line of support here. Okay, that is the outlook for the upcoming week. Good luck in your trading, guys. I hope you find the analysis useful. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye bye.